How do I do this part?
Ay, go to the other side na. Yan.
Max.
Max, you're gonna do the heart, ha?
The what?
Or
Didn't I say I was gonna?
did you change it?
Yeah, I changed it.
What?
A fish or a shark. That's too hard.
Hirap naman yung shark.
Okay, fish.
Pwede yung shark. Pwede naman yung shark. Yeah. Oh, stop muna, stop muna. Cut this part.
Like that?
Oh, down, down. Sige. So use the sharp part. Oh, you can remove that na. Hindi yan, hindi yan.
You need that,
Around the fish.
Max.
Yan.
You need this to hold the fish. This part. Daddy, what happens if I messed up?
No. You cannot put that back.
If I messed up, I'll be cooked.
Your project is cooked. Okay.
Too much food. Now what next? And on this side, it's a little bit going down.
Okay naman. You can read it naman the MTV. There. Max Travis Vidal.
The VIP zone.
What are you doing, Max?
Shark. Baby shark. Hey, yo, is this the mouth?
Yeah.
You added the mouth.
Careful, ah.
You now can use this too. How about it? Wait. This one, you're gonna use it like you can use.
Patingin niya. Show it here. There. Baby shark. Is it the baby?
Yeah. Spray it.
Yung ito. Yung sides. Spray the sides.
Side.
Not too close. Hindi. Yeah, para mag-clean yung sides.
How about the bottom?
Hindi na yan.
It's becoming slippery.
Clean the sides. Para matanggal yung small parts. Small pieces. Doon sa may mouth.
Huh?
Doon sa may mouth. Layo, layo. Kanap na yan. Put it here. Get the other one.
The MTV.
Layo. Yan yung size. Yan, clean it.
My hand is tired.
Okay, you're almost done.